Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with render to publish web UI with zero downtime. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the render website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one by following the sign up process. Once logged in, go to your dashboard and select the service you want to authorize. Click on the Settings tab in the Service panel. Locate the Authorization section to configure your authorization settings. You will see options for OAuth and API key authorization. For OAuth, click on the Connect button next to the appropriate provider. Follow the prompts to log into your chosen service. Once logged in, grant the necessary permissions to render. After authorization, you should see a confirmation message indicating success. If you prefer using an API key, go to the API key section. Generate a new API key by clicking the Generate button. Copy this API key and keep it secure for future use. Return to the service settings and paste the API key in the designated field. Save the changes to confirm your authorization. Next, ensure your web UI is set up correctly on render. Deploy your application by clicking on the Deploy button. Check the deployment logs to ensure everything is running smoothly. Once deployed, your application should be accessible without downtime. For further updates, make changes in your local environment. Then, redeploy from the render dashboard to push updates seamlessly. Confirm that all changes are reflected and functioning correctly. You're now ready to manage your web UI with zero downtime using render. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.